So this is Teresa's kitchen doors that we're going to be working on here shortly. All right, Teresa, we have the base coats on your doors so far. So that's the first coat. We're going to let that dry, put a second base coat on all of the doors. The trick to this is doing light coats first. So they'll look like a wash more than actually painted, but everybody's got their first wash. So we'll let that dry and then we'll put the second coat on. It's very exciting. So just thought you'd want an update. Really sharp. So here are all of your cabinet doors. I'm going to let them cure for a couple of days and then we'll put the clear coat on and these boys will be ready to hang. I think they're really pretty. They've got the nice wood grain and the Greystone on them. So I am pretty stoked. And here is your broom closet door.